Good morning, dear students. As you know, we are just discussing about the steps of the crop production, and today we are just going to discuss about the second step of the crop production, that is selection and sowing of the seeds. So after soil preparation, the next step is the selection and sowing of the seeds. It is the most important stage in the crop production because you know that plants grow from the seeds. So while selecting the seeds, there must be some precautions which should be taken. And what are the precautions? So first, that is the clean, healthy and disease-free seeds should be selected. Okay, and second one, that is the seeds should be treated with the fungicides. And what is the meaning of fungicides? Fungicides are the chemicals that kills the disease causing fungi. After selection of the seeds, they need to be sown in the field. And what is the meaning of sowing of the seeds? Sowing of the seeds is the process of placing seeds in the soil, and the care must be taken while sowing them. So what are the precautions? When we are just sowing the seeds in the soil, it should be at the right depth. It should be neither too shallow nor too deep. And second one, that is, it should be at the right intervals so that they get proper air, sunlight and nutrients. Seeds are sown in the field by three methods. Okay, we can follow any of these three methods. So first of all, we are just going to discuss about the first step. Okay, that is the first method, and it is the traditional tool method. The traditional tool for sowing seeds is shaped like a funnel, having 2 or 3 vertical long tubes with sharp ends. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through the pipes with sharp ends. The sharp ends pierce the soil and place the seeds there. The second method is by seed drill. A seed drill has a funnel-shaped seed ball connected to several tubes. The drill is attached to a plow. As the plow makes furrows along the field, the seeds in the seed bowl are released through the tubes and get deposited in the soil. Nowadays, a seed drill is used for sowing seeds with the help of a tractor. Okay, so what are the advantages of using a seed drill for sowing seeds? Okay, the advantages are: it shows the seeds uniformly at appropriate distances and depths. Second one, that it ensures that seeds get covered with soil after sowing. This prevents the damage caused by birds. And third one, that is, it saves time and labor. The third method is the transplantation. Seeds of some plants like paddy, tomato, onion, chili, brinjal and sunflowers are first grown in the small nurseries. When seedlings grow, they are manually transplanted in the field. The process of transferring the seedlings from the nurseries to the fields is called the transplantation. This practice has the following advantages. So what are the advantages of the transplantation? It helps in selecting and planting only healthy seedlings. Spacing can be controlled because of manual plantation. Third one, plants get sufficient sunlight, nutrients and water from the soil.